Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review video on the Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasure Repair Mask. Now I received this as a free sample from pinchme.com. They sent me the sample and they wanted me to give my honest opinion and review on it. Now what it's supposed to do is supposed to repair damaged hair. It's paraben free and it contains royal jelly, honey, propolis extracts to help repair the hair when using the repairing system shampoo and treatment. Now they did not send me the shampoo and treatment, so this is based solely on the actual mask. Now it comes out creamy. It's not too thick, but it was thick enough to that one little small sample pack was able to fill my whole head because I have really thick coarse hair, and it was able to fulfill my hair, and it actually felt really good on it. And you're supposed to leave it in for 3 minutes, which is kind of normal for like a treatment mask. Some of them are longer than that. But I left it in about 5 to 7 minutes because I like to give my hair an extra thing because it's so thick. I wanted all the hair to be on there distributed evenly. Because if I just put it on the front, then the 3 minutes is going to start right there and instead of on the back. So I just always have it in longer. It said after shampooing with our repair shampoo, apply generous amount treatment to hair and work through the hair. Make sure to cover the ends and wait 3 minutes. And it's like I said, it's thick cream and it does smell really, really good. And they only sent me one small sample pack, so I can't tell you guys how it felt after the one-time use because it was only one-time use. But would I buy it? Yeah, I think I would buy it. And I looked up the price for like a 10-ounce bottle. It's $5.49 from Target. And that's pretty like a fair, generous amount. That's kind of normal for what they're going for these days. And I don't know. I just think it actually was really good. It made my hair really soft. I didn't have to. It was moisturized. I didn't have to, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. I didn't have to like detangle it or anything like that. It stayed straight for a few days before it started curling back up. But yeah, so that was my review on the Garnier Whole Blends Treasure Repairing Mask. And it does have water chloride. So the main thing is water. So if you're looking for something that's mainly based from water, that's the first ingredient in it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, share this video, like this video if you like these types of videos. Leave a comment down below if you tried it before. What was your experience? Did you like it? You did not like it? Just tell me why. All my social media links are down below. My ebook Football Wags available on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Kindle Unlimited, get to read both parts for free. Thank you guys for tuning in to me and sticking with me. More videos are coming soon. Thank you guys. Bye.